Hello, space explorers. Welcome back to Discover with Momina, the channel where we unravel the wonders of the universe one mystery at a time. Today, we're diving into a question that has fascinated humans for centuries. Do aliens exist? Could there be life out there beyond our little blue planet? Let's explore. The universe is unimaginably massive, with around 2 trillion galaxies, each containing billions of stars and potentially trillions of planets. With so many worlds out there, doesn't it seem likely that at least some of them might host life? Scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets, some of which lie in what's called the habitable zone, the sweet spot where liquid water might exist. Water is essential for life as we know it, so finding these planets fuels our hopes of discovering alien life someday. But here's the mystery. If the universe is so vast and full of possibilities, why haven't we found aliens yet? This question is known as the Fermi Paradox. Some think aliens might be avoiding us, deliberately staying hidden. Others believe they might communicate in ways we can't detect. Or perhaps intelligent civilizations destroy themselves before they can explore the galaxy. These ideas are fascinating, but also a little eerie. Could it be that we're just too far apart in space, or even in time, to make contact? Now, let's talk about one of the most famous places linked to aliens, Area 51. This top-secret military base in the Nevada desert has been at the center of countless alien stories. People claim to have seen UFOs near the area, and some even believe the government is hiding alien spaceships, or maybe even aliens themselves inside. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Officially, Area 51 is used to test advanced airplanes and technology. But because everything about it is so secretive, it's no wonder people's imaginations run wild. The mystery surrounding Area 51 keeps our fascination with aliens alive. Could there be more to the story? We may never know for sure, but it's fun to wonder, isn't it? Speaking of trying to reach out, let's talk about Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, two incredible spacecraft launched back in 1977. These space explorers were sent to study the outer planets, but they're also carrying a special package, the Golden Record. This record holds sounds, music, and pictures from Earth, like a cosmic message in a bottle for any aliens who might find it. Voyager 1 is now the farthest human-made object from Earth, traveling in interstellar space beyond our solar system. Voyager 2 followed a slightly different path but provided us with amazing images of Uranus and Neptune. While neither has found aliens yet, their missions remind us of humanity's curiosity and our hope to connect with life beyond our world. Closer to home, there's been a lot of buzz about UFOs, now often called UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena. Even governments have declassified reports of strange objects seen in the sky, sparking endless speculation. Could they be alien spacecraft? We don't have solid proof yet, but these sightings keep the question alive. Are we alone, or are we being watched? From the mysteries of Area 51 to the incredible journeys of Voyager 1 and 2, humanity has always been captivated by the possibility of alien life. Whether we're scanning distant planets, exploring strange phenomena, or sending messages into the cosmos, we're always searching for answers to the age-old question, are we alone? One day we might find the answer, or maybe the answer will find us. Thank you for joining me on this fascinating journey, space explorers. If you loved exploring today's mystery, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover with Momina for more mind-blowing space adventures. What do you think? Are aliens out there? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering.